Most people quit YouTube before they ever get paid. It's a harsh reality that so many aspiring creators face, and it happens far more often than you might think. The reason isn't a lack of talent or creativity. Instead, it's because they're playing the game wrong, focusing on the wrong things, or expecting instant results. Imagine putting in countless hours of effort, late nights editing, brainstorming new ideas, only to feel invisible, overlooked, and completely frustrated when the views just don't come. The real winners on YouTube aren't always geniuses with expensive cameras or fancy gear. More often, they're ordinary people who take the time to truly understand how the system works and use it to their advantage. In this video, I'll break down the proven steps and strategies that separate the winners from the quitters, so you can avoid the common mistakes that hold most creators back. Let's dive in together and make sure you become one of the creators who not only gets paid, but also thrives and stays in the game for the long run. The biggest mistake most creators make? It's not a lack of effort or creativity. It's chasing after that one big viral moment, thinking it will change everything overnight. Uploading random videos and hoping for luck is like buying lottery tickets. It's unpredictable, unsustainable, and rarely leads to lasting success. The real winners don't gamble with their content. They build reliable systems that set them up for long-term growth and stability. They carefully choose a niche, focus on serving a specific audience, and develop a unique, recognizable style that viewers come to expect and love. Consistency and clarity are what make the algorithm notice you. When you show up regularly with focused content, the platform starts working in your favor. Think of your channel like a favorite TV show. Viewers tune in because they know what to expect and enjoy the familiar experience you provide. Stick to your chosen niche, double down on what's working, and focus on creating repeatable value that keeps your audience coming back for more. Stop rolling the dice on going viral. Instead, stack up small, consistent wins. Video after video, week after week. That's how you truly grow on YouTube. Step by step, building momentum and a loyal audience along the way. Picking a niche isn't just about following your own interests or passions. It's about understanding what people love to watch, not just today, but year after year, across different trends and generations. Evergreen topics like finance, motivation, health, gaming, and tech never go out of style. These are subjects people always search for, no matter how the internet changes. Look for proven demand and endless curiosity. Topics that spark questions and conversations over and over again. Ask yourself, will people still care about this topic in 5 years? Is it something that will stay relevant as time goes on? And can you keep adding value, sharing new insights, and keeping your audience engaged as your channel grows? When you become a go-to resource in your niche, YouTube notices and rewards you with growth, reach, and recognition. Even if you're just starting out with a phone, what matters most is your commitment to serving one audience really well. So pick your niche for the long haul. Focus on building real momentum and watch your channel become something people never stop watching. Your video lives or dies before anyone hits play. Thumbnails are everything. Winning thumbnails spark curiosity, show emotion, and keep it simple. Use bright colors, bold faces, and minimal text. Pair curiosity-driven titles with thumbnails that tell a story. Test new ideas. Sometimes the ugly ones win. Use data to see what gets clicks. People judge your video in a split second. Make your thumbnail impossible to ignore. Most viewers decide to stay or leave in the first 30 seconds. Hook attention immediately, no long intros or filler. Start with a bold statement or unexpected question. Tease the outcome or biggest twist early. Use pattern interrupts, quick cuts, new angles, surprising facts. Every few seconds, Give viewers a reason to keep watching. Script and test your intros relentlessly. The first 30 seconds decide your channel's future. Make them count. Retention is YouTube's most important metric. The longer you hold attention, the more your videos get recommended. Use pattern interrupts, change visuals, add graphics, switch tone. Keep viewers guessing and engaged. Tease what's coming, set up payoffs, and avoid boredom. Design your videos like roller coasters. Always another twist. When retention goes up, so do views, subs, and revenue. Focus on retention to win in any niche. Perfectionism kills new channels. Quantity beats perfection every time. Every upload is a chance to learn and improve. Treat each video as practice, not a masterpiece. Upload more, see what works, and find your voice. Set a realistic schedule and stick to it. Momentum matters more than flawless edits. Don't wait for perfect, just hit upload, learn, and repeat. Winners show up consistently, outworking perfectionists who never start. Learn from the best by studying successful channels in your niche. Don't copy blindly. Analyze what works, structure, thumbnails, titles, hooks. Break down their videos and spot patterns. Always add your own twist. Be a remix, not a clone. Lazy copying gets ignored. Smart adaptation gets rewarded. Filter strategies through your personality and story. Build a loyal audience who shows up for you. The blueprint is out there. Use it wisely. Motivation fades. Consistency builds results. You'll have tough days, but showing up matters most. Build systems. Schedule filming, batch content, automate editing. Treat uploads like appointments you can't miss. The more you show up, the easier it gets. And YouTube rewards you. Don't grind to burnout. Make YouTube a habit. Winners aren't the most talented. They're the most persistent. Consistency is your edge. Guard it fiercely. Titles are a business skill that can double your views. Great titles trigger emotion, spark curiosity, and promise value. Use proven formulas. How to. I tried. What happens if? Clarity beats cleverness. Viewers should know what they'll get. Study top channels' titles and test different styles. Track your click-through rate and adjust. Master titles, and your channel will explode. Treat YouTube like a real business. Track analytics, set goals, and improve weekly. Winners measure everything and double down on what works. Run experiments, A/B test thumbnails and titles, and pivot when needed. Invest in your skills and keep learning. Take YouTube seriously, and it will pay you back. Every creator faces the ugly early phase: bad thumbnails, awkward voiceovers, low views. Most people quit here, but this phase is normal. The only way to get good is to get through it. Winners stick around long enough to improve. Your first 50 or 100 videos might flop, and that's okay. Don't delete your old videos. They're proof of your journey. Embrace the awkward beginnings. They're a rite of passage. The only way out is through. Ready to take action? Here's your plan to win on YouTube now. Pick a niche with proven demand and endless curiosity. Research 10 video ideas, write titles, and sketch thumbnails. Create your first video. Focus on value, not perfection. Make a curiosity-sparking thumbnail and a clear title. Hit publish, then repeat the process. Track analytics, tweak your approach, and keep learning. Simple isn't easy, but if you stick with it, you'll build a channel that lasts. YouTube in 2026 is wide open for anyone willing to play smart. Don't wait for perfect timing. Start now with what you have. Every upload is a step closer to your breakthrough. The winners aren't perfect, they just never quit. Subscribe for more, and remember, the next video could change everything.